This isn't something you'll see in the US. Only China is building structures so heavy they outweigh 500 elephants combined, and they're doing it over massive gorges. These machines don't just lift steel. They lift entire infrastructures. 100-meter beams placed midair like it's a giant Lego set. That colossal rig with 200 tires is carrying blocks heavier than a jumbo jet, gliding across support pillars over 100 meters high, right through rugged, mountainous terrain. But the craziest part? Look at those cables manually pulled and secured by workers balancing 400 meters above the ground. One misstep and they're gone. This isn't just engineering. It's a war against physics, a head-on clash between concrete and gravity. Now ask yourself, could any other country pull this off, or is China operating on an entirely different level?